In draw we have some constraints. It's concentric, parallel and perpendicular. In workspace, drafting and annotation, on top parametric, activate the command from the panel manage its delete constraints. Move the cursor and select object. Select the line in perpendicular. Click enter on the keyboard or click right mouse button. Now we have unperpendicular but another to save your parametric. Another way, simply and more short, it's move the cursor, select constraints and click Del on the keyboard. Simply click hide constraints bar, don't anything, but we have that parametric. But move the cursor, click on icon bar and click del, it's delete constraints from the object. Del click del K on the keyboard. It's simply way, but we have another way. It's command delete constraints.